we divide 866 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 866 divided by 5 is 173 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.